Welcome to Baja California Sur, a land where the desert kisses the sea, creating a tapestry of life unlike anywhere else on Earth. This peninsula, reaching down toward the tropics, cradles the Sea of Cortez, a body of water so rich in biodiversity that it was once dubbed the world's aquarium by Jacques Cousteau himself. Join me as we venture into this sun-drenched paradise, exploring hidden coves, vast deserts, and ancient mountains, all teeming with life. From the gentle giants of the deep to the tenacious creatures of the arid plains, Baja California Sur offers a glimpse into the raw beauty and unparalleled wonder of our natural world. Our journey begins in the heart of the Sea of Cortez, a body of water teeming with life. Here, sunlight dances on the surface, revealing a kaleidoscope of marine creatures. Schools of silverfish shimmer through the azure depths, pursued by pods of playful dolphins. Look closely, and you might be lucky enough to spot the ocean's largest fish, the majestic whale shark, gliding effortlessly through its domain. These gentle giants, reaching lengths of over 40 feet, visit these waters to feast on the abundance of plankton. Further down, vibrant coral reefs explode with color. Parrotfish, adorned in their dazzling attire, graze on algae, their crunching sounds a symphony of the reef. Moray eels, with their serpentine bodies and watchful eyes, peek out from rocky crevices, while delicate sea fans sway rhythmically with the ocean's current. This underwater paradise is a sanctuary for the curious and adventurous. Every year, as winter's grip tightens its hold on the Arctic, a remarkable journey unfolds. Grey whales, those colossal travelers of the ocean, embark on an epic migration, a 6,000-mile odyssey to the warmer waters of Baja California Sur. Their destination, the sheltered lagoons of Laguna San Ignacio and Laguna Ojo de Liebre. Here, in these tranquil nurseries, these magnificent creatures will court, mate, and give birth to their calves. The lagoons transform into a haven for these gentle giants. Mothers nurture their newborn calves, guiding them through the shallows, teaching them the ways of their watery world. The air fills with the sound of whale song, a haunting and beautiful melody that echoes across the water. For visitors, this annual migration is a truly humbling experience. Leaving the coast behind, we venture inland into the heart of Baja California Sur's stark yet captivating deserts. Here, beneath the scorching sun, lies a world of resilience where life persists in the face of adversity. Towering cardan cacti, their spiny arms reaching skyward like ancient sentinels, dominate the landscape. These giants of the desert can live for centuries, their pleated trunks expanding and contracting with the precious rainfall. Amongst the cacti, you'll find the twisted branches of the yucca plant, its white flowers a beacon of beauty in this arid realm. And providing welcome shade, the mesquite tree thrives, its deep roots tapping into hidden sources of water. But the desert is far from lifeless. Look closely and you'll see the flash of a roadrunner darting between the cacti, its long legs carrying it swiftly across the sandy ground. Overhead, a red-tailed hawk circles, its keen eyes scanning the landscape for its next meal. Rising high above the desert floor, the peaks of the Sierra de la Laguna pierce the sky, a verdant oasis in this arid landscape. This mountain range, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, is a world apart, its slopes cloaked in oak and pine forests. Amongst the granite peaks, a unique ecosystem thrives. Moisture brings life-giving rain, nourishing diverse plants and animals. Follow a trail through the pine forests and spot the elusive Baja California rock wren, its song echoing through the trees. These birds are unique to this region, a testament to the Sierra de la Laguna's biodiversity. As dusk descends, bats take to the skies, emerging from their roosts, tracing patterns against the twilight sky. These nocturnal hunters control insect populations and pollinate plants. The Sierra de la Laguna is a botanist's dream, home to fascinating plant life. On the eastern edge of Baja California Sur, where the desert meets the Sea of Cortez, lies Cabo Pulmo National Park. At its heart is the Cabo Pulmo Reef, a vibrant underwater city that has made a remarkable recovery. Once overfished, the reef has been revived by local communities and conservationists. Today it stands as one of the most biodiverse reefs in the Sea of Cortez. Dive in and you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of color. Schools of parrotfish graze on algae, their scales shimmering like jewels. Moray eels weave through the coral while rays glide effortlessly. Look closely and you might spot a sea turtle watching over this paradise. Cabo Pulmo Reef's recovery is a beacon of hope, showing positive change is possible. The coastline of Baja California Sur is a painter's palette, a mesmerizing blend of turquoise waters, golden sands, and rugged cliffs sculpted by wind and waves. Here, the desert's embrace meets the ocean's caress, creating a tapestry of beaches as diverse as the landscapes themselves. Near the city of La Paz, gentle waves lap at the shores of sheltered bays. Their calm waters perfect for families and those seeking a moment of tranquility. The iconic beaches of Todos Santos, renowned for their surfing waves, attract those seeking adventure and a taste of the wild side. Further south, the beaches of Los Cabos, with their luxurious resorts and vibrant nightlife, offer a taste of paradise for those seeking relaxation and indulgence. But venture beyond the beaten path, and you'll discover hidden coves, their secluded shores kissed by crystal-clear waters. Here you might be lucky enough to witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. Sea turtles, ancient mariners of the ocean, hauling themselves ashore to lay their eggs in the soft sand. Journey to the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula, and you'll encounter a landscape where the desert's raw beauty collides with the ocean's untamed power. This is Los Cabos, a place where towering rock formations rise from the sea like ancient guardians, and the iconic El Arco, a natural arch carved by centuries of erosion, stands as a testament to nature's artistry. Los Cabos, a land of stark contrasts, is a place where you can wander through cactus-studded deserts in the morning and find yourself snorkeling amongst colorful fish in hidden coves by afternoon. The air, infused with the scent of salt and desert sage, carries the whispers of ancient stories, legends passed down through generations of indigenous peoples who have long called this land home. Drive along the scenic Golden Corridor, a stretch of highway that winds between Cabo San Lucas and San Jose del Cabo, and you'll be treated to a visual feast. On one side, the sapphire waters of the Sea of Cortez stretch towards the horizon, while on the other, the desert unfolds in all its stark beauty. Keep your eyes peeled for the region's unique flora and fauna. Just off the coast of Baja California Sur, scattered like emeralds in the azure waters of the Sea of Cortez, lie Isla San Jose and Isla Partida, two islands that offer a glimpse into a world untouched by time. Isla San Jose, the larger of the two, is a haven for those seeking solitude and natural beauty. Its rugged coastline, sculpted by centuries of wind and waves, is a tapestry of hidden coves, pristine beaches, and dramatic cliffs that plunge into the turquoise depths. Here you can spend your days exploring hidden beaches, their sands untouched save for the footprints of seabirds. Kayak through crystal-clear waters, marveling at the abundance of marine life below, or simply relax on the shore, lulled into a state of tranquility by the gentle rhythm of the waves. Isla Partida, its smaller neighbor, is a haven for snorkelers and divers. The Sea of Cortez, cradled by the Baja California Peninsula, is more than just a body of water. It's a living, breathing entity, a vital corridor for marine life that stretches for over 700 miles. This rich ecosystem, fueled by the convergence of warm and cold currents, supports an astonishing array of marine species, from microscopic plankton to the largest creatures on Earth, the whales. Each year, as the seasons change, the Sea of Cortez becomes a highway for migration. Grey whales, their massive bodies dwarfing even the largest boats, make their annual pilgrimage to the warm lagoons of Baja California Sur to breed and give birth. Meanwhile, schools of tuna, their silver bodies flashing in the sunlight, chase after baitfish, while pods of dolphins, their playful leaps and bounds a common sight, follow the currents in search of food. Look closer, beneath the surface, and you'll discover a world teeming with life. Manta rays, their wingspans reaching up to 20 feet, glide effortlessly through the water, their mouths agape, filtering plankton from the current. For centuries, the indigenous peoples of Baja California Sur, the Cochimi, the Periku, and others lived in harmony with the land, their lives intricately intertwined with the rhythms of nature. Their ancient knowledge, passed down through generations, holds valuable lessons for the future of conservation. Today, their descendants are at the forefront of efforts to protect Baja California Sur's natural treasures. They understand that conservation is not just about preserving pristine wilderness, but also about ensuring the well-being of the people who call this land home. Across the region, communities are working together to manage resources sustainably, from fishing cooperatives that prioritize responsible practices to ecotourism initiatives that provide alternative livelihoods, while protecting fragile ecosystems. In the Sierra de la Laguna, local guides share their knowledge of the region's flora and fauna with visitors, instilling a deep respect for the natural world. As we bid farewell to Baja California Sur, let the memories of its breathtaking landscapes, its vibrant wildlife, and its resilient people stay with you. This peninsula, a land of stark contrasts and unparalleled beauty, serves as a reminder of the natural wonders our planet holds. From the depths of the Sea of Cortez to the heights of the Sierra de la Laguna, Baja California Sur offers a glimpse into the delicate balance of life on Earth. It's a call to action, a reminder that the future of these precious ecosystems rests in our hands. Let us all be inspired by the conservation efforts taking place in Baja California Sur and work together to protect our planet's natural heritage for generations to come.